Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make this little cute star applique. So let's get started. We make chain 1 and we make 10 single crochet into the magic ring. Tighten the loop and now we slip stitch into the first single crochet, not in chain 1, first single crochet here. Now chain 4, skip one stitch and we make one single crochet into the next stitch, one half double crochet into the next, one double crochet into the last stitch. Now we skip one single crochet and slip stitch into the next stitch, and we repeat this procedure. Chain 4, skip one stitch, one single crochet in next stitch, one half double crochet into the next, one double crochet into the next, and slip stitch into the skip one stitch and slip stitch into the next stitch. So we repeat this pattern 3 more times. Okay, now we reach to the end, the last wing. Now skip one and slip stitch into the next stitch, chain 1 and fasten off. So here is our star applique. Thanks for watching.